Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use photo mode, Photolog in TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. Now, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well, because it's really gonna be a simple and easy video. Now, in order to use Photolog, what you need to do is head over to your TikTok app. And once you're inside, here you can see an option that here you can see a plus icon, right? Just tap on that, and once you tap on it, here you can see options that says text, photo, 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minutes, right? Now what you need to keep set to the photo. Now all you gotta do is tap on upload, and then here all you gotta do is select photos that you want. Select multiple photos. What you need to do is tap on select multiple, and then tap on photos that you want to make slide, and then all you gotta do is tap on next. And once you do that, here you can see the pictures are in a slideshow, and that's basically how you create a photo log. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.